Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the onsen egg recipe from the special winter frost event in Heartopia. This new recipe can only be unlocked after you successfully collect and photograph all the eggs scattered around the onsen area. And if you still don't know how to find the eggs, you can check the tutorial link in the descriptions. And today, I mean yesterday is the final day, the 16th egg, the last one that you need to complete the missions. And once your missions is complete, you will immediately unlock the onsen egg recipe. And to claim it, just tap the snowman icon, and then just tap on the onsen egg promise over here. Just tap on the recipe, and just like that you will claim the new recipe of onsen egg. And then next, for the cooking tutorial, I will show you in the next video. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.